Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So today I bring a new Cambly video with a tutor of Japan, obviously, and we have some talk about the COVID and World War II in Japan also. So watch this video till end and let me know in the comment box that what do you think about this video. Is this okay? Is this fine? Is this great? Okay, and I have a big surprise for you. I will bring it soon for you. So till then, stay tuned with me and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. यार पूरा वीडियो देख के जाओगे और सब्सक्राइब नहीं करोगे, that is really not fair. Okay, so subscribe this channel. I will definitely bring you so many new things here. So till then, watch this video till the end. Okay.
What is your name?
My name is Aashvi.
How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm good, thank you.
Okay. Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah. So tell me something about yourself.
My name is Ruchika and I'm from India too, but I live in Japan.
Oh wow, Japan.
Yes.
Wow. Well, so are you born there or you have been living there for some other reason?
No, I moved here for work.
Okay, so you live there because of work. It's
Yes.
nice to hear that. Really nice.
Tell me about yourself. What do you do?
By profession, I'm a teacher, science teacher, but nowadays,
Okay.
but nowadays I'm getting online teaching classes on YouTube.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
great.
Yeah, because of COVID, people have to do online job only. I also want to know something about Japan. Can I ask you, ma'am,
Okay, what would you like to know?
what is the status of corona in Japan? Is this under control? Or
So things have settled down a little bit here, and they're trying to go back to normal. They're getting, I think, about 50 new cases every day, but it's only in one area.
okay, so are you still locked down or has some unlocking process started? How long did lockdown last?
Lockdown. There was a lockdown for 2 months, but now the lockdown has been lifted.
Okay,
Yes.
good. It was very good to hear that things are getting normal. Well, now when did you last visit India?
I was there in January and February this year.
So you were staying there for 2 months. Where are you from, India?
Originally, I'm from Haryana. My parents live in Delhi.
Oh wow. The people of Haryana are very smart and also keep ahead in sports, right?
Yes.
I'm great to know that.
Thank you.
Well,
So tell me a little bit more about yourself. Where do you live?
okay. I'm from Rajasthan.
Okay.
Yeah, my family is proper Rajasthani.
Okay.
Do you know Rajasthan?
Yes, yes.
This is a beautiful desert area. It is famous for Lach Desert.
Okay. And how long have you lived
I
there?
was born and grown up here, and I didn't go anywhere else. I have heard a lot about Japan also. I want to know, I want to confirm those things to you if you don't mind. Does the sun first rise in there?
Actually, no. I think the sun rises first in New
Okay.
Zealand. But yeah, I think it's because the sunrise happens very early, at about 4:45 in the morning. In the sun
Wow,
rises. Yeah.
it is really very early. So this means people will get up very soon. I have heard that the people there are very strong and live very long life. So what is the secret of such good health of those people?
Oh, What? So you can say, what is the secret
Yes.
of their health
Yes.
or good health? Maybe I think it's the diet. They eat a lot of boiled vegetables and roasted meat, and they eat a lot of fish as well. So I think it has to do with diet.
Yes, they eat very healthy food.
And I'm sure genetics play a part as well.
Yes, strengths also come from parents to children, I guess. Science says that. Okay, so I want to know one more thing that I heard how Japan was completely devastated, like everything was over during the World War II, right? But they have resumed again and brought Japan in good condition, like just like before, and this is very much appreciated, right? I really wonder how they did this again, because it's about whole country. What do you think about it?
Yeah, because of World War II, I think they suffered big losses during World War II, but yeah, they managed to bounce back.
Wow, so that will be enough for today. I have very important work for now to be done, so goodbye, sayonara.
Okay.